Today, I'm going to show you how to add an email list in Mailchimp step by step, so you can quickly import contacts, organize them properly, and get your audience ready for email marketing. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along without getting stuck. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Audience option in the menu. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts and email lists, so this is the section you need for adding new emails. After clicking Audience, you'll be taken to your Contacts area. From there, choose the Copy and Paste Import option. This is one of the easiest ways to add a list of emails if you already have them prepared in a spreadsheet, document, or plain text format. Next, paste your email list into the Import field. Make sure each contact is entered correctly and that the emails are formatted properly before moving on. This helps avoid errors during import and keeps your list clean and usable. Once your list is pasted, click Continue. Mailchimp will then check the information and move you to the next step of the import process. On the following screen, click Continue again to keep moving through the setup. At this stage, Mailchimp may ask if you want to tag your contacts. Tags are optional, but they are very useful if you want to segment your audience later. For example, you could tag contacts by source, interest, campaign, or customer type. If you want to use tags, enter the tag name now. If not, you can simply continue again to confirm the next step. Keep following the prompts until you reach the final review stage. This is where Mailchimp gives you one last chance to check everything before the contacts are fully imported. When everything looks good, click Finalize Import. Mailchimp will now process your list and prepare it for upload. The last step is to click Complete Import. Once you do that, your email list will be added to Mailchimp and ready to use in your campaigns, automations, and audience management tools. And that's it, you've successfully added an email list in Mailchimp. Now you can start sending campaigns, organizing subscribers, and growing your email marketing system with confidence. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one.